Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some sweet and sour sauce. So here I have half of bell peppers, as you can see all the colors. I've got half of onion. I also have some ginger, not a lot, and some pineapple. That's my pineapple there on the side. As you can see, I cut it up also. So these are some of my other ingredients. Here I have half cup of ketchup. I also have half cup of pineapple juice, and I also gonna add quarter cup of white granulated sugar. You can always use brown sugar. So guys, I made these chicken gizzard. Check out my YouTube channel for the full ingredients, okay? So here I have a pot on the stove, and my stove is on a medium heat. So now I'm just gonna add my onions first, and then I'm gonna add my bell peppers and my ginger. I'm not gonna add all of it, guys. I'm just gonna leave back a bit of it, okay? And you're just gonna allow it to saute for at least 1 minute or so. So guys, to my pot, I add at least 1 spoonful of vegetable oil. So you're just gonna give it a stir. So after around 1 minute, now I'm just gonna add my pineapple. Then you want to give it a stir. I'm telling you, it looks so good already, guys. You're just gonna allow your pineapple to saute for at least 1 minute, okay? So now I'm just gonna add my pineapple juice, and I'm also gonna add my ketchup. But guys, with my ketchup, I'm gonna add at least half cup of water to my ketchup, or maybe quarter cup. Then you just want to give it a stir. Just make sure it is all combined. So now you just want to add it to your pot, and after you add your ketchup with your water, you just want to stir it, okay? So now guys, I'm adding my sugar. So after you add your sugar, you just want to stir it. So guys, I'm adding at least 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, okay? So after you add it, you just want to mix it. Then I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. And guys, you can always taste your liking, okay? So guys, you just want to leave it for at least 3 minutes until it comes to a boil, okay? So that's perfect. Now I'm just gonna add my chicken gizzard, okay? And guys, you don't have to use chicken gizzard. You can use shrimp, chicken breast, beef, you know, whatever you preferred, okay? So now I'm just gonna take my spoon and just mix it all around. Guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good. This recipe is a must try. Just make sure all of your chicken gizzard or whatever you're using, make sure it is all blend and coated in your sauce, okay? So now I'm just adding my remaining bell peppers that left and onions. So now you just want to mix it and you're just going to leave it, guys, for at least 1 minute and it is finished. Oh yeah. So my sauce with my chicken gizzard, everything is all finished. And I'm telling you guys, this is like food prawn. I wish you guys would be in my kitchen right now. Don't forget, guys, to give me a big thumbs up for this video. Share this video to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it, guys. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these, and hit your notification button so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it, okay? So as you can see right there, guys, I've got some rice, some plain rice in my bowl. I'm using basmati rice. So now I'm just gonna add my chicken gizzard to my rice, and I'm telling you, it looks so good. This recipe, guys, is a must try. You guys have to try this recipe. Please comment below and tell me if you try my recipe and tell me what it's like. So my chicken gizzard is all plated up, and that's what it look like. As you can see, I'm giving you guys a up close look and how delicious it looks. So now I'm just gonna taste some of my chicken gizzard with my sauce. I'm just gonna add some of my sweet and sour sauce that I made on the side. And guys, I'm telling you, it tastes so good. Honestly, I didn't expect for my chicken gizzard with my sweet and sour sauce would come out so perfect. It was absolutely delicious. I give this recipe 10 out of 10. Yeah, it is so good. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep laughing and keep smiling no matter what, cause God is always on your side. Bye guys, love you. Bye.